welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my God knows what update this is for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a collab that I do with my girl Amanda. We decided to do a product for every episode that ever aired for Supernatural, and yeah, we're on season 3 right now, and we started this in 2018. August 19th to be exact. And yeah, we're only on season 3. It's gonna take a little while, just a little while. So yeah, let's get into this. I do have an empty this time, and I'm very happy. It is one that was put in last update, and I actually finished it, and I'm happy about that. I did very much enjoy it. This was for the Sin City episode. It took place in a town in Ohio that had a lot of like gamblers and drinkers and stuff like that. All the bad stuff that you don't really want. And I chose, for like the drinking aspect of it, a Buxom lip gloss in the shade Peach Daiquiri. It's alcohol. It's not like something you get all crazy on, but it is alcohol. And I have finished this one. It is completely done. Took the stopper out. I scraped out as much as I could possibly get out of it. I mean, it's pretty see-through. And there's a little bit here on the sides that I tried to get out with a brush, and it's at that weird angle, and my brush wouldn't get that little tiny bit. I'm not upset about it because I have like 70 some, 80 some, I don't remember, more Buxom lip glosses. One application's worth is not going to make or break me. I'm good. I'm really good. All right, so let's go over what I still have in. For Hollywood Babylon, I have the Starlux Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. I am only trying to get to where that gold line is, basically to where that is sharpened off. Obviously, I'm not there yet, and the tip, hopefully you can see, I have been using it, not as much as I should, but I do think that this will at least get sharpened by the next update, which is, it's a good thing. But I am working on another Starlux Gem Pencil that needs to get done this year, so I kind of prioritized that one. So this one's kind of been on the back burner a little bit, and I should feel bad about it, but I don't, because I know that if I really work on the other one and put my focus on that one, I can at least get something out of my collection this year, and that's the goal of for me, that's my goal of panning, is to get stuff done and moved out. All right, moving on to Folsom Prison Blues, and this is the one where they went into prison, and of course they had the orange prison uniforms. It's kind of like a staple thing. So I chose an orange eyeshadow for those orange jumpsuits. This was a repress, and I have hit pan on the repress again. This is from the Profusion Eyes palette, and this is the color Terra. I don't know if I can have this done by the next update. It is getting definitely thinner, and I've been really enjoying wearing oranges and reds and stuff like that, yellows lately. So maybe it's going to be my goal, is to have this done by the next update. Can't promise anything, but if it's not gone, it's going to be really, really close. All right, moving on to another eyeshadow. This is for the episode All Hell Breaks Loose, and that is the first one in which Sam was abducted by the Yellow-Eyed Demon. He is a recurring evil character throughout forever. He really is. So for the Yellow-Eyed Demon, I chose my very yellow ColourPop Honey palette, the color Dandy. I am trying to hit pan on, and I'm still not there. It is this shade right here. And I do have a dip in it. I don't know if it's going to show. I really don't. But I do have a dip. And I'm really going to try to focus on it in this next month with the orange. Might put them together, might not. I'm not sure yet. But I'm really going to try and focus on both of those to get those like dandy to the point of having pan in it and hopefully finishing terracotta. I would really, really like to do that. For the next episode, The Magnificent Seven, which is all about the 7 deadly sins. Yet another eyeshadow. And this one, in my infinite wisdom, I decided that I wanted to finish it. Not hit pan, but to finish it. So I depotted this. This is the shade Lust from the Alter Ego Temptress palette. It looks like I've used a ton, but if you saw my Franken Friday, then you will know that I Franken part of it into this. I took a dark gray taupe shade and turned it into something that I can use every single day, except today because I'm wearing red and it didn't really go, but this shade is going to be really easy for me to use. So I need to finish this and this. It's not going to happen by the next update. It's just not going to happen. I'm thinking 2, maybe 3 updates from now, that one will be gone. I'm okay with that. It's a nice, easy, usable color. All right, and the last one that is a rollover is from the episode Bedtime Stories. I chose something that I use at bedtime, which is the Life Essentials Retinol Serum. And you probably will not even be able to see my first line, which is right up here. I don't know why I chose a dark color on amber glass. Wasn't very brilliant, but it's like right in this area. I can feel it, I just can't really see it, and I am down here now. I can tell you I have not been super diligent about putting this on every night, because there's some nights where my day has just been horrendous. Moms, I know you know what I'm talking about. And then sometimes you're like, I just want to do the bare minimum of my skincare and go to bed. And I've had quite a few of those nights. And so I have not used this as much as I know I can. I know I can use more than this without wasting it by the next update. I'm fairly certain of it. There are just some nights, you know how it goes. So it is what it is. All right, so I finished one product, this lip gloss. I'm gonna toss it back into my empties for this month. I need to put a new product in for a new episode. And the next episode up is Red Sky at Morning. Red Sky at Morning. And if you are Supernatural watchers, this is the episode. Bella is in this episode, and it's where if you see the ship, you know bad things are going to happen to you. It turns out that every person that sees the ship ends up dead, and in researching their past, they all have in some way contributed to a family member's death. So yeah, one drowns in the shower, another drowns in his car. Yeah, I know that sounds really weird, but you know, it's supernatural. There's like sinister things afoot, and it's not all like normal. That's why it's supernatural. So that is what that episode is about. It is the catalyst, or not the catalyst, the weaponry of choice in this one is water. So I went with that theme of water. And I'm not going to give you like the whole episode in case you want to watch it, but so going off of that water, I chose the, what is this? The First Aid Beauty. I was like, what is it? Fab. I know what Fab is. Why is my brain not working? It is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream, and I'm hoping that my skin won't hate this. It's just a deluxe size. I don't have too many deluxe sizes left. Oh, look, it matches my nails. Yeah, hopefully my skin doesn't hate it, because my skin hates most moisturizers. So we shall see. I believe this is brand new. It does not have a seal on it, but it is brand new. I've never used it. And who knows, this is going to be like my moisturizer every single day, if my skin likes it enough. And hopefully, since it's a deluxe size, I might be able to have it done maybe the next update, if not the one after that. I don't know. I'm almost done with a moisturizer now, like with a night cream. So if I can finish that night cream, I will be using this day and night, not just during the day. We'll see. We'll see how it works. All right. That is everything for this update. I'm so happy that I got to roll something in. So happy. I'm going to put Amanda's information down below so you can go check her out. She is a little bit further ahead of me in season 3, but it's okay. It all tends to even out at some point, and we're usually not too awful far from each other. I'm going to say she's like 6 or 7 episodes ahead of me, but it is what it is. So check her out. She is going to be down below, and if you want to join in, of course we would love to have you. It's going to be going on for a very long time, And this is just something that we decided to do together, but really it's open to anyone that wants to join in. If you're a supernatural lover and you like to pan and you want like a go at your own pace kind of project, by all means, join us. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.